What if I told you that your entire Windows security depends on a file that you can't even open? It's called SAM, and it's basically the vault where Windows stores every single password on your computer. Now, before you panic, your passwords aren't stored as plain text in here. They're hashed, which means they're scrambled using complex mathematical algorithms. But here's the scary part. If someone gets their hands on this file, they don't need access to your computer anymore. There are actually tools like Hashcat or John the Ripper that handle this easily. Let me try to open this file. Access denied. Windows won't even let me look inside it, even though I'm the administrator. That's because Windows is literally protecting this file from everyone, including you. It knows that if anything happens to this file, your entire user account system collapses. It can also say that the process is being used by another process, which means that you still can't open that file. Now, hackers don't need to hack your password. They just need physical access to your computer for a few minutes. Boot from a USB drive, bypass Windows entirely, and copy the SAM file. Or they use malware that runs with system-level privileges, but even then, the malware has to be incredibly sophisticated to access this protected file without triggering Windows Defender. Once they have it, they can work on cracking your password for weeks without you ever knowing. But it gets worse. The SAM file doesn't just store your password, it stores everyone's passwords who has ever logged into that computer. Your family members, friends, old accounts you forgot about. The really crazy part? This system has worked basically the same way since Windows NT in the 1990s. Sure, Microsoft has added better encryption and security features over the years, but at its core, your entire Windows security still depends on this one file staying secret. If you're thinking, well, I'll just delete it to be safe, don't. Seriously, don't touch this file. If you mess with it, Windows will boot up, get to the login screen, and have absolutely no idea who you are. You'd need to reinstall Windows from scratch. Sometimes the biggest security vulnerabilities aren't complicated. They're just hidden in plain sight.